This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and permission. Do not attempt removal without authorization. Next, locate any backups or alternate copies. OneDrive, email attachments, and local folders are common. Make sure you know which Excel version created the protection so you pick the correct help route. Once done, collect account credentials and a contact for the file owner or your IT admin, because official recovery and verification will be required to proceed safely and lawfully. You should use the official channels first. Account recovery for Microsoft or corporate identity providers can restore access without circumventing security. Check OneDrive or SharePoint version history to restore a prior, unprotected save. This often resolves the issue cleanly. If the file belongs to someone else, request that owner or your IT team remove protection or reset credentials. Make sure to document the request and approval so you keep an audit trail and avoid unauthorized actions. Finish by restoring an authorized backup or obtaining an unlocked copy directly from the owner. Once you have approval, open the file and reapply any needed protections properly. If you're in a corporate environment, escalate to IT and follow incident and change control procedures so the action is logged. One key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot verify ownership or credentials, stop immediately and contact Microsoft support or your administrator. Attempting circumvention tools risks data loss and legal consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.